Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into this beautiful orange peekaboo PU style wig. I'm going to be giving you guys all the information as far as how it looks in the inside and also how to style this particular unit. So here I am showing you that the hair is soft, and I'm also showing you the inside of the cap. It does have a realistic scalp looking type part in the middle, and you guys, if you can see the close-up, it looks really realistic, like it is scalp, almost like it's like skin. It was kind of creepy that it looks so real. So pretty much this is the back of the wig, and I'm showing you where the orange starts, and it's made to look like the hair is just peeking out from underneath. And so I thought that was really cool. I've been seeing a lot of people actually do this style. I haven't really even seen it before, but I think that's a really cool style to do, especially if you want to get some color in but you don't want to actually color your hair. So you can just mix the color bundles in with your black hair or whatever, and you get that same effect. So that's really pretty, and the fact that this already comes dyed is a plus. So here you're going to see me just applying the wig on camera, and I'm trying to be quiet because my kids are actually sleeping, so I might be moving a little slow, but I was just trying not to make as much noise. So my hair is already previously slicked back from my other wig that I just took off so that I can record and change my hairstyle and show you guys how to style this wig. It didn't take me long. I think it took me about 15 minutes to do everything. I did take a lot of time to make sure that the hair was, straight, and also I slicked it down the front. So yeah, that's all that you guys are going to be seeing me do during this section. And yeah, so please stick around for the end results, and I'm going to be giving you guys my opinions on this hair. Alright, so to give you more space on this hair, it is 16 inches, 150% density, and it's very thick, you guys. Like, you really don't need to do much to this hair. You see how much body this hair has. It's really pretty, and it took to heat very well. It is human hair, so of course, you can straighten it and do a lot of things to it. I do like how the colors blended in with each other, and they complemented one another really well. And it made the process just really easy, knowing that the hair was already colored and done. And the best part is that I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to bleach or anything. And this wig is completely glueless. Like, I thought I was gonna have to glue it down because I was gonna do some baby hairs, but I didn't put any glue. I just used the combs and I just put it on my hair, and it was secure. And I just manipulated, the hair to how I wanted it, and that was it. So this hair is definitely beginner friendly. You won't have to do anything to it but style it how you want. I was gonna cut some layers in it, but then I got lazy. But the hair curls, and you can do a lot of things with it because it does really great with heat. And as you will see here, like, I got the hair really straight, and it just became really it just came to life. Like, it just was already pretty, but it got even more pretty when I manipulated it and did my own thing to it. So I think this wig is pretty much a must-have. I definitely am wearing this wig again, and I just like the ease of this hair because I don't have to do anything to it, and it just it's just that simple and easy. So you guys just keep watching the video. You're gonna see me style it, and I would love to know what your opinions are. I definitely think this is some great fall hair to have, and these are some great fall colors. So I can't wait to do some styles with this. I'm already thinking of some outfits I want to wear with this hair because it is really cute, and I've never had this style before. I've always had to like bleach or dye my hair to get my hair color, but I think this is really cool how the hair comes pretty much pre-dyed and you get two colors in one. So I thought that was really cool. So yeah, you guys, please stay tuned. Don't forget to check out the description box with all the information down below on this hair and the shop that I got this hair from. right, beautiful. She is done, looking gorgeous, looking so bomb. Literally a 10 out of 10, you guys. This hair is just amazing. Please don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed today's content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button because I have a lot of exciting things coming your way. You guys, my God, this wig is just everything. Don't forget to check her out. As always, it's a pleasure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.